my favorite features of this car right here, the engine compartment looks awesome. Seeing, like, coming up to a car and we're like, holy crap, you know, that's what powers this monster right here. Lamborghini does a great job with that right there. Now, obviously, in the Spiders, they don't have it because in the Spider, that's covered up.
Sure.
That's where the top goes.
It really is beautiful. I mean, the symmetry, the text that they use for Lamborghini, and then you get the V10 badge right here.
Yeah, this one's a 60th anniversary.
Is that what this Ordine is?
Yeah, and then right over here, there's a badge right here that you can kind of look in right here.
60th anniversary.
I forget the color. It's Grigio something or other. One of the Italian grays.
Yeah.
That really attracted me was that color right there.
And this is awesome.
Yep, and these are HRE wheels.
Are these cameras or sensors right here?
Those are sensors.
Sensors. Okay.
Yeah, those are sensors.
Cool.
Yep. One thing that you're going to realize right here on the front, you can always tell a Tecnica just by this right here.
Oh.
This front piece. So they redesigned the front bumper right here.
Okay.
So that's a pretty cool thing. Also on the Tecnica right here, this piece right here.
Sure.
That's a little bit different. They took the Performante was the first mid exhaust. All the other Lamborghinis were bottom exhaust. So the Performante was the middle exhaust, and then they integrated that into the Evo. And so the other thing you can tell with Tecnica is how it's kind of slanted right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a little hexagon. Let me see if I can open that up.
What do you think, Tanny?
Ooh, what do I think? I'm loving the gray with the orange detail that he has on his.
Running through the storm with the blade in my hand. I'm the outcast king, they don't understand.
I'm the second owner to this.
Okay.
And so it came with the Rift exhaust system, which I had on my Evo, which is a cool all titanium exhaust system. And then it was tuned from Lamborghini of Austin.
And then the orange to match the interior orange right here. Oh, what a great idea that was.
So a few leather components. Of course, those have the racing seats in them and have carbon fiber in the headrest. But one of the cool things has the little tire design going up and down right there.
Over here.
Yep. But the one thing that I really liked about this, if you look on the ceiling in the interior, it also in the middle, it has that going.
Oh, yeah.
So it looks pretty cool.
It's the details.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
says technical. It stays on the seats. I like that touch.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, and there's the touch screen right there. They just knocked it out of the park.
They did a great job.
It's just beautiful Huracan. Like that's nice.
And then at night, you can't see it right now, but it has the puddle lights that go, and there's a little Lamborghini emblem that glows.
Right here?
Yeah.
On the ground? It'll
Yeah.
go down?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, that carbon fiber, I really like that in the headrest. Let's get you up.
All right, let's go.
We'll let you, let's do it. Dude, like, okay, it's got a little cup just to let you know where it's at.
Yep.
Because it's all sleek.
I wouldn't recommend putting anything in that cup holder. You'll end up spilling it. I mean,
A little flimsy.
Yeah, I think that's a little heavy dip.
No. The orange leather.
Yes.
All over.
Absolutely.
Legit with the orange seatbelt. Super nice touch. Alcantara. All along the door. The ceiling. Oh, and there's your leather steering wheel.
Yep. And then it has the Sensinum sound system.
The what?
The Sensinum sound system, which that's the upgraded sound system from Lamborghini. They don't make the best sound systems.
Sure.
Yeah, they're not great. If you compare it to Bose, like in the Corvettes, Bose will beat it every time.
Really?
Yeah, in my opinion, Bose is awesome. But you know, that does the job. You know, plus you want to hear the engine anyways.
Right.
Yeah.
This is a nice. What do you think of the infotainment system?
I think it's great.
Clean.
They do some great stuff right there. Your different climate controls and
It looks very user friendly.
yeah, very much so.
And it is snappy.
Yep. One cool thing about the Huracans that they have is the auto lift right there. So that if you're approaching a speed bump, you can kind of lift the front of the car.
I feel it.
Yep. So yeah, it'll go up. The other thing in these cars is down is up and up is down. So to roll your window, you got to kind of.
That's down.
Yep.
When you push that forward, it goes down.
Down. Yep.
And when you pull it that way,
it goes up. So that takes some getting used to.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. Of course, the blinkers right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, blinkers right here off the thumb.
Very driver centric.
Yeah. Yep.
Keep you engaged.
Yep.
And then you have the 3 drive modes.
Yep. You have Strada, Sport, and Corsa.
And Corsa.
Yep.
Corsa's track.
Corsa's track.
Got it. Strada's every day.
Correct.
And then what's
Sport. Sports if you want it just to be a little bit more, you know, throatier and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yep.
What do you reckon? This just is like a piece of plastic accent?
Yeah,
right
I actually don't even know what that's for. I think it's, I don't know. I don't know if it's just a sunshade or what it's supposed to do. But when you asked me if there was any change that I would make to it,
yeah,
it'd be awesome if they had a heads-up display. You know, the little heads-up display system.
I hear mixed reviews. Some guys love them.
Yes.
Some guys are like, no way, I don't want it.
Yes, and
you want one.
I like it. I think it's cool.
And then what is skin? Scongy.
I have no idea what that is, but that's kind of how you just pull it up and you can go back and forth with your seat.
Easy.
Yep.
I see you're drinking Red Bulls over here.
Yeah, that's how you know. You want to tell them I have a wife? There you go. She'll leave Red Bull tabs.
Sugar free.
Yeah, 100%.
Sugar free. Let's send it, shall we?
Absolutely.
We'll do a quick little lap around the block.
Absolutely. And then did you turn it?
Yeah. How's the turning radius on this?
Very good.
That was nice.
Yeah, they're very easy to turn. Very, very user friendly.
Oh my God, when it shifts.
Yep. And so we're in automatic right now.
Yeah.
I usually drive it in manual or paddle shift, if you would.
Okay. I like how it has in big writing.
Yes.
Middle. Oh my God. Stop, dude. Oh my God.
And this is keeping it tame. I mean, the cool thing is you can run these up to about 8,500 RPM.
What?
And yeah, you can really push it.
It's so smooth. It's so planted. Stuck to the ground.
Oh yeah.
This is rear-wheel drive?
This one's rear-wheel drive, yes.
Okay.
I believe so.
There's something visceral about sitting on top of this power.
Yeah. And, you know, you're so low to the ground. So that's one of the downfalls of driving a car like this is that, you know, a lot of times people won't even see you. You always kind of think ahead as, you know, if you're in a parking garage especially. My buddy was in his F12 today and almost got hit. Somebody didn't even see him. Just almost ran right into him.
Oh, no. Oh, my.
Yeah.
Oh! Woo! Dude, they've mastered the shifts in this thing.
Yeah, and I mean, just so smooth.
That is amazing. What?
The one thing that I do know, you know, as a car manufacturer, you always want to figure out how to make your product better.
Sure.
And so I know for a fact, you know, the Temerarios, you know, that the V8 hybrid,
yeah.
I know for a fact that they are probably putting up better numbers than what the V10 is. But it's still not a V10. You know, you have your V10 enthusiasts. And so it's just like with the Corvette, you had your Corvette enthusiast that engine belongs in the front. It's not a mid-engine car. However, the only way to get faster is go mid-engine. And so I do understand, you know, the concept on them making their products faster and whatnot. I haven't driven one yet. I'd like to drive one. But then also, again, if I'm going to put my money into something, I want to be able to have an investment and a rate of return, basically on a return on investment.
I'm curious to see how the automakers are going to, like, the lag time. Because it's clear as day that the enthusiasts want the V10.
Right.
Clear as day that the enthusiasts want the front engine on the Corvette.
Yes.
The question is, are they going to do something about it? If so, when? How long is it going to take them to get the memo?
Exactly.
And give the people what they want?
Exactly. Hopefully they listen to the customers and people buying the car. But the thing is, in the long end, you know, to end up hurting their business because of, you know, if people aren't going to buy this car or at the MSRP, you know, what's going to happen right here. So,
sure.
Yeah, let's do the Austin Powers turn right here.
Yeah, right.
Yep. I heard they're coming out with a new Austin Powers movie.
No way.
That's what I heard.
Mike Myers again?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. What a throwback. I'm watching that. I quote Austin Powers to this day, dude.
Oh, same. And my kids in class, when I talk to them about it, they have never heard of it. They have never heard of Austin. They have no idea who it is. All right, we good. All right.
There.
So that was 120.
Dude, it just keeps going.
Yeah, they get up and go, and That's what I'm talking about with the dual clutch system, is that you can just go pedal to the metal and just shift, and it makes it so much easier for the driver to use.
That is an experience for you to be able to get in your garage, turn this on, and go. That is a nice touch to life. Ah, god dang, dude, that's amazing.
They're fun.
Would you add anything else to this car?
I probably would. Maybe make a little bit better stereo system in it. You know.
Oh, sure, okay.
Yeah.
Every now and then you want to jam out.
Yep.
Okay.
But you know, that's about it. I mean, it in my opinion, it is the most complete supercar, especially for an entry level type supercar,
right,
that you could want. You know.
Yeah. You get a V10.
Yep.
You get good quality. That's, you know, you're not bringing it to the shop every 3,000
right.
miles.
The only other thing that I would change is I wish they would do the vertical doors on the Huracans.
Right.
Yeah. Because, you know,
how much does that honestly cost them to do that?
I'm not too sure.
Like, you can do aftermarket for like $1,000 a door.
Yep.
I hear.
Yep.
That's not terrible.
And you don't realize it, but when I parked into my old garage, I'd, you know, hit it, and I'd always be careful not to hit the door, because they're in the ceiling now, instead of out, you know. So you know, most people watch the door ding. Well, now with my Aventador, I was like, okay, am I gonna do a ceiling ding? Like, what's up there, you know?
Well, right. You don't want to ding your doors, folks.
Right.
But that's why with these cars, it's like head on a swivel. You're always looking out. I don't know if you're one of these guys. Do you have like the ultimate dream car?
You know, I don't know, one of the higher end Ferraris, maybe.
Okay, like an Enzo.
Yeah, maybe something.
Ferrari,
Yeah, maybe something like that. You know, just I'm just a huge fan of the Italian-made cars. In my opinion, I think Italian's the best. German makes a great car. I think Mercedes makes a great car. I'm not crazy about the BMWs. I love the Italian stuff. And plus, my wife's half Italian, half Sicilian. So,
well, there you go.
Yeah, there you go.
There it is.
Yeah, I'll open it up right here, because
we
we're back this way, right?
Yep, back that way.
Yeah, of course.
A little strip right here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Of course, you got to kind of watch out, because the traction control kind of goes away, you know, because, you know,
really?
obviously you're in a truck. Yeah, so if you're not too terribly experienced, so when you drive these, you know, you can spin out on them in Corsa mode. The Strada and the Sport mode make that almost incapable of doing, because, you know, the car pretty much controls itself.
Sure. What's your take on the Austin, Texas, the greater Austin area supercar scene, as you've seen it evolve over the past 5-6 years?
It's unreal.
Is it?
Oh my gosh. You know, going to these car meets and just seeing, you know, you had a big rally that happened about 2 weeks ago. That
Bull Run.
Yeah. And then, but to see the cars actually out here. But not only that, but to see the normal people own these cars, right. So it's really, really cool.
Yeah.
And then once you kind of get established with that type of community, you know, people know you by name. You know, they're constantly inviting you to do random things, and that's what the car community has really done. It's not really about, you know, buying the next car or selling the next car or how fast you can go. It's more along the lines of, oh yeah, I like that guy. He's real nice. Hey, do you like to go shooting? Oh yeah, I shoot too. Or what else do you do? Do you do this? Yeah. And you know, before you know it, you know, you're always kind of getting together with these guys to have a little bit of fun.
Yeah.
Yep. With the Austin car clubs is, you know, you get into the right ones, and it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. Even though it's awesome to be around that scene, you know, it's still really dangerous.
Sure.
You know, it's still really dangerous.
Yeah, you want to be a part of a car club that has class.
Yes.
That has taste. That might even have a mission to like inspire the public, to do good, stuff like that. Yeah, because those are out there.
Yep.
But to your point, there's also car clubs that are just kind of like, for lack of a better term, they're hood.
Right.
Yeah. So.
And the other thing is, it's, you know, try to get in with guys that don't one up you. That are trying to one up you, you know. Even this morning, I had a gentleman come up to me and say, "Well, how do you like your overpriced Volkswagen?"
Come on.
And I'm like, "Well, I'd like to see you get in that, because I bet you can't even been into that thing." You know.
You're out of shape, bro.
Yeah.
Can you walk, bro?
I'm like it doesn't matter what car you have. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you self-fulfilled? And are you content? If the answer is yes, then it really doesn't matter.
It's about the spirit, the essence. Oh!
All right, there's 90 right there in Corsa mode.
Dude, I noticed the difference. Oh my God. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Dude, is the suspension stiffer right now? Oh.
You can feel it.
Yeah. Slap me sideways and call me Nelly, bro. What the hell is that?
Like I said, this is my 5th Huracan. You can actually tell the difference in the different ones. You know, if you start driving them, you can really like, oh my gosh, this is a completely different car than the Lamborghini Evo. It's a completely different vehicle.
That's crazy. I would not expect that. I'll tell you what, this exhaust, man. I know I said it before, but it's hitting all the right notes.
All right, you want to drive it?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But JR over here is letting me drive his Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. My first Lamborghini I'm ever driving in my life. It is a very special day. So grateful to be out here. Thankful for people like JR. Keep an eye out for the new episode on Carlson coming out this Wednesday. Let's go, baby.